Hello, I'm Jamila Musayeva, an international social etiquette consultant and author of etiquette books, Etiquette, the Least You Need to Know, and Afternoon Tea Etiquette. If you would like to get my books, they're available now on my website for international shipment. I'll link it here as well in the description box below. As you can tell from where I'm seated, I'm going to do a very different kind of a video today together with a makeup artist that's based here in Azerbaijan, a very talented and a very lovely person inside and out, Fidan Gasimova. You can follow her on Instagram as well. I love her works and I've done a lot of different makeup looks with her. I think I got a lot of requests when I shared some of the videos on my Instagram as to how was the makeup going and the tutorial for that makeup. So we decided to shoot a timeless, a glass skin, a very feminine makeup look that I'm wearing currently right now in this video, and we're going to show you step by step of achieving this look. What I love Fidan for is that she maintains the unique beauty of each person. She just enhances your natural beauty and is really focused on creating this really glossy and glowing glass skin makeup look. The way we're going to do our makeup is according to Fidan's technique. She always starts first with eyes, then she does the skincare for the face, and then she does facial makeup, and then does lips. So the stages are going to be slightly different from what you're used to see in makeup videos. First, we're going to start off by cleaning my eyes with the micellar water by Derma to just get rid of anything that I might have from the night before, mascara or liner, just to start fresh. Next, she's going to use an Hourglass concealer on top of my eyes. So once we've done applying the concealer over my eyelids, we're going to apply a cream eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury. Next item that we're going to be using is a limited edition Hollywood Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. There are different kind of beautiful colors inside that will be great for any kind of more neutral, timeless, elegant makeup. The next product that we're going to be using is an eyeliner by Victoria Beckham. It's called Satin Kajal, I think, or Kajal liner. Now we're going to be using another eyeshadow palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Super Nudes. Right now we're going to be applying a Bobbi Brown lip moisturizer. I just realized watching one of the clips that I had very dry lips, so we're going to apply this and let it leave on my lips until the end of the shoot, until we get to do our eyeliner and lipstick. So this is what we're going to use to moisturize my lips. So now that we have moisturized my lips, we are going to add some more eyeliner inside the eye, so inside the eyelash line. Next, we're going to curl my eyelashes. This is an eyelash curler from Kevin Aquan, and obviously we're not going to be showing you how we curl the eyelashes because it's not a very pleasant scene, but you know that it's getting curled. So now that we have curled my eyelashes, we're going to be using an eyelash mascara called Hemish. And this is a waterproof mascara, and the reason we're using waterproof is because this is an evening makeup and we want to stay fresh throughout the whole evening. Now we're going to add some eyelash extensions to the outer corner of my eye to give me a more elongated, this more cat eye look, so to speak. We're going to clean underneath my eyes, so the eyeshadow that might have fallen, or maybe the eyeliner that has stained my under eye. We're going to remove that with a toner that is hydrating and exfoliating by Estee Lauder called Perfectly Clean. Having toned my face, we're going to be using an eye cream, which is Medipeel Eye Tox Wrinkle Care Cream. Next, for my face, we're going to be using again Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The next item we're going to be using is an under eye corrector by Smashbox Becca. Having applied the under eye corrector, we're going to apply an under eye concealer by Hermes Beauty. And one of the tips that was shared by Fidan is when you apply an under eye concealer or corrector, make sure not to apply it right underneath your eyelash line, because that's the part that gets most wrinkles. And so when you apply a concealer or a corrector, it tends to get cakey. So try to avoid the line that's very close to your eyelash. For foundation, we're going to be using Sensai Flawless Satin Moisture Foundation, which is super lightweight, very natural, and gives this highlighting look, and it has also SPF 25. Next, we're going to be contouring my face with this contour stick from Westman Atelier. Now that we've finished contouring my face, we're going to add some blush. I usually don't use any blush throughout the whole day, but since we're doing this evening makeup by professional makeup artist Fidan, we're going to be adding some blush, and that is by Westman Atelier, and the colors are Petal and Chouchette. After we've done our blushes, we're going to do some highlighter, and this is again by Westman Atelier, and the highlighter is called Lit Up Highlight Stick. Now we're going to be adding some more highlighter, but now in the form of a powder. This is from Dior, and the color is Glitter Strobe Pink Gold. This color right here. Having finished with highlighter and contouring and blush, we're now moving to my eyebrows, and we're going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Styling Wax. Having waxed my eyebrows, we're going to be adding an eyebrow pencil just to fill in the places where I don't have enough hair growing, so just to even out and make them more symmetrical. And this is an eyebrow pencil by NYX. So now that we've finished with my eyebrows, we're going to be applying some setting powder, and this is by Hourglass. It's called Veil Translucent Setting Powder, which is super lightweight and very gentle. Next, we're going to be applying a lipstick by Victoria Beckham, and the color is called Pout. For the very first time, I'm not going to be using any lip liner as recommended by the makeup artist, since we're going for a more fresh, glass skin and like timeless, elegant, very feminine look. We're going to avoid the lip liner and just use a very glossy, very fresh color from Victoria Beckham. Next, we're going to be using this Instant Brightening Waterline Pencil by Victoria Beckham. Having applied the waterline brightening pencil, we're going to be adding some more mascara to my lower lashes, but this time it's going to be in the color brown, and the brand is called Vivian Sabo. The final stage for today's makeup is applying this Hourglass Ambient Light Palette number 1. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up so that we know that you like this kind of videos, and we'll prepare more videos for you. And if you do have a particular makeup tutorial that you want to learn more about, you can write in the comment section below and I'll take notes of that. You can also join my brand new online course entitled The Art of Entertaining at Home, where you're going to see how to set up different type of table decorations, do floral arrangements, learn about gift wrapping, and also get a sneak peek into my personal candle collections, as well as how to care for candles. The course is for anyone who wants to level up their hosting skills, as well as to learn how to be a gracious guest. The course is actually also followed by an ebook that is available with the same title. You can either go for an ebook or choose the combo of ebook and the course. For lovers of movies and etiquette, you can also join my Patreon Etiquette Movie Club, where every month I publish movie analysis from an etiquette standpoint of view. So far, I've done over 20 different kind of movies, and by joining it now, you can have access to all those movie reviews. Thank you for being with me up until this point, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!